Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2014 Buick Verano, stock number Z7023XX. Only 13,000 miles in this Verano. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, carbon black metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle will serve a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, not only low miles but very clean. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This Verano has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, again, only 13,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Dual-zone automatic temperature control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box. All the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Verano has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And very clean under the hood, as you can see. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7023XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.